Most people think buying a drone is simple. Just pick the newest one and you're good. But after testing compact drones, DJI's full lineup, and real-world outdoor performance, that couldn't be more wrong. Some drones are built for cinematic shots, some are perfect for travel, and others look powerful but completely fall apart in real use. And here's this video. You'll know exactly which drone actually wins depending on how you fly. Let's get started. Our first pick is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a lightweight champion weighing under 250 grams. This drone is travel-friendly yet packed with professional-grade features. Equipped with a 48-megapixel camera, it captures stunningly detailed images and supports 4K at 60 frames per second video recording for cinematic quality footage. What makes the DJI Mini 4 Pro stand out is its 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, ensuring safe flights even in challenging environments. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, this drone makes flying simple and fun. And with up to 34 minutes of flight time, you'll have plenty of time to capture your perfect shot. Portable, feature-rich, and beginner-friendly, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is an ideal choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography game. Its price starts at approximately $759, making it a great investment for creatives on the go. Next, we have the Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus, a compact powerhouse that proves great things come in small packages. Its 50-megapixel camera and 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor deliver exceptional image clarity and vibrant colors, even in low-light conditions. The Evo Nano Plus also boasts advanced obstacle avoidance sensors and a 4-way detection system, ensuring smooth and safe flights. With a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, you can explore vast landscapes while maintaining a stable connection. This drone is perfect for professional photographers who prioritize image quality and stability. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry, and at around $799, it's a fantastic option for those seeking top-tier performance in a portable package. For those looking for versatility and advanced features, the DJI Air 3 is an excellent choice. This drone features dual cameras, including a wide-angle lens and a mid-telephoto lens, offering diverse shooting options for both cinematic landscapes and close-up details. The DJI Air 3 supports 4K video recording and has omnidirectional obstacle sensing, making it reliable and safe for all flying conditions. With an impressive 46 minutes of flight time, it outlasts most drones in its category. Despite its advanced features, it's a premium choice for content creators and professionals who need flexibility and performance. Choosing the right drone depends on your needs and priorities. Let's start small, but mighty, with the DJI Neo. Picture yourself at the edge of a cliffside trail at sunrise. The view is perfect, but no one's around to take the shot. That's when Neo steps in. This tiny drone, weighing just 135 grams, launches right from your hand. No controller, no hassle. With full propeller guards and voice control, you can hike, paddleboard, or just chill with friends while Neo silently follows you, filming stabilized 4K UHD video. It's smart enough to track your movement and cinematic enough to make your day feel like a movie. Want an epic slow pan during your campsite yoga flow? Neo has built-in quick shots to nail it. No pilot license required. It's fun, fast, and freedom in your pocket. Now meet the DJI Flip, the perfect drone for travelers, vloggers, and anyone who wants pro-grade footage without the bulk or hassle of carrying heavy gear. Whether you're exploring a new city or hiking up a mountain, Flip fits right into your adventure. Imagine strolling through a narrow trail between towering trees or along a rocky shoreline. Flip's compact design means you can launch it instantly without FAA headaches, thanks to its sub-249-gram weight. No paperwork, no waiting, just pure creativity on demand. But don't let the size fool you. Flip features a powerful 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that pulls in light like a much larger camera, delivering crisp, vibrant images in any environment. That means golden hour footage glows, sunset silhouettes pop, and every frame looks cinematic, giving your videos a professional touch every time. With 4K at 60 frames per second HDR video, Flip handles action without blur, and the subject tracking keeps you in perfect frame even when you're moving fast. Think running along a ridge or cycling down a forest road, capturing every thrilling moment. With a full 31 minutes of flight time and carbon fiber prop guards for added safety, Flip is the definition of grab-and-go greatness, ready for any adventure you throw at it. If you live for adrenaline, strap in for the DJI Avata 2. This isn't just a drone, it's a flying roller coaster. The Avata 2 is built for thrill seekers, delivering heart-pounding speed and jaw-dropping agility that will leave you breathless. With DJI goggles and a motion controller, you become the flight. Every twist, every turn, you're right there in the cockpit, feeling every bank and dive as if you're on the ride yourself. Dive off cliffs, skim forest trails, and pull off flips. This drone eats up the wildest terrain you can find. Try barrel rolls, loops, and hairpin turns with precision control, making every flight a new adventure. All your stunts are captured in buttery smooth 4K, ready for instant playback or sharing. Relive every breathtaking moment in stunning detail. For adventure creators, this is the rush you've been looking for. The Avata 2 isn't just about flying, it's about living the thrill every single second. If you crave excitement, this drone turns the sky into your personal playground. Speaking of speed, let's dive into the world of the DJI FPV. A true beast built for creating dynamic content that makes your viewer feel as if they're right inside the heart of the action. Whether you're capturing snowboarders carving down majestic alpine slopes or surfers launching off a massive wave, this drone delivers cinematic power with a sense of exhilarating flight you just can't get from a static camera. With an impressive 150-degree super-wide field of view and real-time, low-latency HD transmission, it's like experiencing flight with your own eyes. The S-mode flight lets you dip into manual tricks without the usual complexity, and advanced safety features like smart return to home, obstacle sensing, and battery alerts keep your adrenaline rush in check. The DJI FPV is perfect for creators who want thrilling motion shots without sacrificing safety or video quality. And with stunning 4K at 60 frames per second at 120 megabits per second, it transforms action into breathtaking art. Now, if you're all about vertical content, get ready to fall in love with the DJI Mini 3, a drone designed for today's creative needs. This drone isn't just compact, it's custom-built for creators in the social era, making it easier than ever to capture and share your vision. Ever stood in front of a waterfall and wished you could capture the entire height, ready to post instantly without cropping or losing any detail? Mini 3's true vertical shooting nails it every single time. With just a few taps, you get 4K HDR video framed perfectly for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, ready to wow your followers. And when the wind kicks up on a cliffside trail or along a breezy coastline, Mini 3 holds firm with level 5 wind resistance and a 3-axis gimbal that keeps every shot stable and smooth. The camera's dual native ISO ensures detail-rich highlights and deep shadows, even during sunrise hikes or night urban shoots, so your content always stands out. With up to 114 minutes of total flight time using the Fly More combo, this drone is your all-day, all-angle social content powerhouse, ready for any adventure. Meet the DJI Air 3, a drone that feels like a full production team. With dual primary cameras, you get sweeping landscapes and detailed hero shots in one flight. Its 48-megapixel photos allow for insane crops, and 4K HDR video looks cinematic. Omnidirectional sensing lets you fly confidently while long flight time keeps you shooting. If you're finding value so far, Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dive tech reviews, drone guides, and epic gear breakdowns. Only here on TechTrekNet. Let's recap, because every explorer and creator needs the right gear in the air. The DJI Neo is your ultralight controller-free companion. Hike, film your dog, or capture quiet lakeside moments. Neo fits in your pocket and follows your moves. The DJI Flip is your cinematic wingman. Shoot 4K HDR, enjoy long battery life, and capture city adventures or road trips with ease. For thrill seekers, the DJI Avata 2 unlocks FPV freedom, flips, races, and immersive video, all with a hand motion. The DJI FPV is your speed demon. Shoot like a director, fly like a gamer, and capture every rush. The DJI Mini 3 is for vertical storytellers, portable, powerful, and made for creators. And the DJI Air 3, your pro-level dual-lens sky-high studio. Choose your adventure. But even with all these drones, two of them stood out in a way I didn't expect. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 Pro keeps that ultra-lightweight design under 249 grams, which makes it incredibly easy to travel with. But the performance you're getting here is on another level. You've got 4K video at 60 frames per second, 48 megapixel photos, and a camera system that delivers clean, sharp results even in low light, thanks to that f1.7 aperture. What really makes this drone stand out is how flexible it is. You've got true vertical shooting for social media, advanced tracking features like focus track, and up to 34 minutes of flight time, so you're not constantly landing and restarting your shots. Add in tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS, and this becomes a drone you can actually trust while pushing your footage further. So if you're serious about content creation and want something powerful without going bulky, this is easily one of the best balanced drones you can get right now. But then there's this one, and this is where things completely change. The DJI Neo 2 is not what most people expect when they think about drones, and that's exactly why it stands out. It's incredibly lightweight at just 151 grams, but the real difference is how easy and intuitive it is to use. You've got palm takeoff and landing, gesture controls, and built-in tracking that keeps your subject locked in without needing complicated controls. This is the kind of drone that lets you capture moments instantly, whether it's quick selfies, movement shots, or just flying without thinking too much about it. And with full propeller guards and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, it's designed to be safe and forgiving, which makes a huge difference if you're not trying to risk crashes. What really pushes it into another category is the experience. Paired with goggles and motion control, it turns flying into something immersive, almost like stepping inside the drone itself. So while it might not look like the most powerful option on paper, this is the one that completely changes how you experience flying. So at the end of the day, the best drone really comes down to how you plan to use it. That's it for today's roundup. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for all the drones featured today. Fly smarter, shoot sharper, and we'll see you next time on TechTrekNet.